Okay, guys. What the heck? Whoa, is there an update or something? I didn't update my game. Anyway, we're playing Animal Company because I don't like the other game that was in my other video. Hey, guys.
Yo, guys.
Oh my god, somebody's so dumb. Look where they just left. Is it a flashlight bed? Oh my god, I don't want this no more. What the heck?
Kill somebody, Kevin, all the got.
Okay, we're going back here.
Yo guys, Purple's Red Watch.
You're lying. I'm not even Red Watch. I'm not even Red Watch.
Yes, you are.
Prove it. I'm in Studio 5 or Stage 5 in Studio. Prove that I'm Red Watch, bro. I'm in Stage 5.
Oh, that's a fall.
Good.
Hey, who said purple was Red Watch?
Bro, how heavy do I actually get? Bro, are you guys gonna kill me?
Guys, I am doing another giveaway.
Oh, giveaway! Hold my special name.
Do you guys want an admin crate or do you want?
What this is?
No.
Purple, come here.
Shut the
Crate! Admin crate!
admin crate. Alright, admin crate.
Follow me.
Oh, it's heavier when you hold stuff.
Oh my gosh.
It's heavy when you hold stuff.
I did not know it was this big.
Guys,
You chose.
it's heavier when you hold stuff.
Someone tell me.
It's heavier when you hold stuff.
Can't stop speaking into the mic, you fat fuck.
Blake it! Blake it! Blake it! Blake it!
I got it back.
Bruh,
Just kidding.
don't kill us.
I'm gonna voice chat like this. Oh! Oh, I got it again. You guys suck.
Bro, all that came out with was this.
No, there was a lot.
Scanned it.
Yeah, because that was
Someone
modded.
scanned it.
Are you stupid?
Bro, someone scanned it. That's sad.
Oh, my god. I'm going broke. Yeah, okay.
Lou, I wasn't gonna.
Let me out.
Then you decided to blow me up, so we're on you, not me.
Oh god, it
No!
Are you in a modded server?
No! What the heck? Where'd you get that? Oh, you're bottom.
Bro, you that blew me up in mines. I'm going to kill you every time I ever see you. We want to stretch him.
Who wants popcorn?
Lou, I'm going to kill you. Wait, I have to do something.
Who wants popcorn? You stupid! You died after saying that. You so corny.
Yeah, I will.
No, I was talking to bro. Says the guy holding popcorn. It's like corn, you know.
I get it. That was funny. I'll revive you. Hey, free corn, by the way.
What did you do?
No! Wait. I have an idea. I've never been up there, but I swear there's something up there. Oh, my head itchy.
Everything that I can face more.
Oh my god, this guy's singing. Oh, no, don't worry. Okay. We're going up there.
People are.
Oh my god! What the hell? Oh yeah. Oh my, there's a secret right there too. I don't know if it's a secret map though.
Stop killing.
Whoa. This is genuinely so cool. Oh, okay, it's gone. I'll turn around now. So I know there's something up there for sure. For sure. Oh my god. You're fucking right now. I did it! Ashley! Look! That's you.
Didn't want to be Red One.
Oh, I did it! 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 Man, I just went up here for nothing. I don't like this game. Wait, what's
Killing people.
Just no. Just no. Just no. Just
But how do you get, like, how do you actually use...
Okay. Guys, ready? 3, 2.
How do you use goop and it makes stuff stick
Never
on?
mind. Okay, let's try this again. I was close.
Even...
Fuck, escape. Okay, let's try from here because it's higher, you know? The Eiffel Tower. Or not. The Eiffel Tower. Oh, see? Look at that. That was Aura. Oh, there's something up here. Are we on a boat? This looks familiar. There's a barrier.
Yo, can someone help me?
I gotta get something.
Children, they're asking me for things.
Bro, can you give me a...
Alright guys, you wanna see a magic trick? In 3, 2, 1, boom!
Okay, I'm not.
Okay, so right
Whoever
here.
wants these, get them. Whoever
Boom.
wants these, get them.
Oh,
I really don't need them. Yo.
What?
Alright, I have one more. That's gonna be lucky. Alright, so.
I'm gonna touch you in your sleep.
That was such a late. Wait, I gotta run.
Oh my
not gonna-
mother God.
Actually,
I'm not. Actually?
yeah.
Actually? Actually? Actually?
Guys, I picked up these snowballs.
I got muted, guys.
I just
Welcome to Animal Company.
You hit A, either A or X.
I yeeted him.
Hey, how do you guys play this?
It's actually pretty easy.
Whoever gets it can have it.
Bro, can I have that?
Bro, give me that What the f are you doing?
I got my thing back. You won't come back. Can somebody teach me how to play?
I it for 2 seconds and you f it up. You know what? I was gonna sell that, but whatever. I'm already rich.
How do you guys play?
Fuck this game. I'm done. Fuck the video.